Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking Simulator tutorial. This is the final video in the orders UI sequence. Today we will change the last 5 seconds of the order timer behave, and we will also add a simple animation. You will find more videos and project source files on my Patreon. So let's start from animation. Open WBP order list item, open animations, and create a new animation called main time finished animation. Select the border and we will animate 3 padding parameters. First we have left and right padding from the vertical box slot. Click to add keyframes. And then we have to use content padding button, for which add a keyframe 2. Next set the timeline length to 1 second. And next press the home key on a keyboard to fit the timeline into view. For the first key, I will set it to 0.25. For the vertical box left and right, set them to 5. And content padding bottom set to 10. The next keyframe is 0.75. Here set the values to left -2, right -2 and bottom -5. And the last keyframe is 1 second. Here reset everything back to 0. Now it's time to implement playing that animation. Open the graph. In onList item object set at the start, we need to stop the animation. Then at the end, bind an event 2 on main time finished. Use the create event node and create a matching event called on main time finished. Inside it, call play animation set num loops to play to 0 to make it loop infinitely. Before going forward, let's quickly check how it looks. And animation plays. And now it's time to redo the last 5 seconds. Right now it's handled like an additional 5 seconds, but I want it to be the final 5 seconds of the timer, and we will treat that as a main timer. Open BP order and a new float variable called time to notify before fail. Now select main timer function name and change it to time expired. And also rename it to time expired function name. Now it's time to update activate order. Right after we create the full length timer, call set timer by event. For time use required time to cook, minus time to notify before fail. For event, use the create event node and select main timer finished. Next open main timer finished. Delete everything, pack the code to on main time finished. Let's quickly test how it works. And it works well. Thank you for watching and see you soon!